So every couple of years or so, I will plan a photo shoot. And this photo shoot will usually be around my brand, and it is just so I can always have updated pictures. Well, for this particular one, I decided to bring you all along so that you can see how I plan, structure, and organize myself in order to get ready for a photo shoot. So this is if you have a brand or a new business that you're about to start and you want to do photo shoots, or you already have a business and you are looking to refresh your brand with some new photos. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's talk through my overall process. So this particular photo shoot is probably like my 4th or 5th one. I started doing photo shoots probably back in 2017 when I took some headshots, and that was just for me to get my channel started. And I'm still using those shots that I took back then. I will upload and show you some of those just so you can see what they look like. Then I did another photo shoot in 2020, and this was right before the world shut down from the pandemic. But when I did that photo shoot, I did use my planner and some books and added in a different change of scenery. I brought in a little bit more color. It was more corals and greens and things like that, and I used those for a couple of years. And then last year I was actually gifted a photo shoot from YouTube, and those were very standard structure shots because I couldn't use really that many props because of the way that they were going to use the pictures as well, but I was able to get some great pictures out of that one. But because that one was sponsored and I didn't have that much of a creative process involved with that one, I did decide to do another one for the upcoming year. So let's talk through my steps on how I plan out a photo shoot. The very first thing that I will usually do is go to Pinterest. Now, I am not really that good at posing for photos. Doing photo shoots is not my favorite thing to do. So I like to plan as much as possible. I like to look at poses. I also like to look at props and different ways that I can structure myself, hold my hands, and all of the things that I can do to be as prepped and ready as possible before I get to the shoot. If you're super weird in photo shoots like I am, I highly recommend pin some pictures to a pin board and even print them out and add them to your planner. I like to print them out so then that way I have them right in front of me as I am doing the photo shoot. The second thing that you want to do is create a theme for the photos. So what is your idea? What do you want to use the photos for? My theme for this particular shoot is office chic, meaning that I wanted to have an office style look, very simple look, very black and white, minimal look, but I wanted it to be really office related. So I selected a location of my other office. So I have a home office that I usually work out of, but when I'm meeting up with clients, I do have an actual office that I will go to. So that's where the photo shoot is going to be located. The next thing that I did was create a list of props or different items that I wanted to use for the photo shoot. Since this photo shoot is office style or office chic, you want to spruce up the office so that you can see different items throughout the office that is really related to the shoot. The colors for this shoot are black and white with accents of gold. So I wanted to make sure I had items that was related to those colors. Now my home office is all related to black and white and gold. So I did pull a lot of the items that I had here in my home, and I am going to bring them over to my other office. And once I decided on the location of the shoot, the style of the shoot, the different types of pictures that I wanted, then I selected a photographer because, you know, different photographers do different styles. Some of them are really good wedding photographers. Some of them are really good at business pictures. So you want to pick a photographer that is really going to be suited for your particular style. So I selected a photographer that I worked with before, and I know that he knew exactly how I kind of work. He knows how awkward I am, and he also knows how to help me through photo shoots. So that's why I decided to go along with him, because I know he knew exactly what I was looking for. For this particular shoot, I did decide on 2 looks. I wanted to do a monochromatic look, and I wanted one look to be all white and one look to be all black. And here is the first look. I don't have on my shoes yet, but it's just a white turtleneck and white pants, and I am going to put on some gold heels, monochromatic, all black and all white. So I have the white pants and a white sweater, and then I'm going to change into a black skirt and a black turtleneck. I also did do my own hair and makeup for this shoot. Usually I would get my makeup done, but I decided against it for this particular one, mainly because I wanted to look like myself as much as possible. Sometimes when I get my makeup done, I don't feel like I look like 100% myself. I look so different that I didn't want that for these particular pictures. I really wanted it to look more natural. I wanted it to look like office style, almost like I was just working in my office. So I decided to just do my own hair and do my own makeup because I know that that's what I would look like every single day. Okay, so I am definitely going to bring you behind the scenes so that you can see a little bit of how this shoot comes out. So I've already packed up all my stuff. Let's go ahead and get ready to go. I packed my extra clothes in here, and so I just have some jeans in here that I can change into and my other black outfit. This is 20, 40, 60, 70.